Hey everyone, Kevin in Texas coming at you on this very lovely day. Hopefully you're doing well whenever and wherever you're at. The big question of the day in many people's minds, including my own, is what will the COVID criminal trials look like? And the best answer I have arrived at is they're going to be similar to the Nuremberg Trials that occurred after World War II. And I say that primarily because the events, both in the United States and throughout the world, that have occurred since March of 2020 display gross violations of the Nuremberg Code. And if you're unfamiliar with the Nuremberg Code, I will post a link in the description box below. The Nuremberg Code essentially is a set of rules regarding experiments on humans and the ingestion or injecting of experimental medications. And since the end of World War II, medical doctors have relied on this code for guidance when it comes to doing ethical experiments on human beings. Unfortunately, the response to the COVID-19 virus has been the exact opposite of what we see in the Nuremberg Code. It has been highly unethical and illegal. And the evidence for same is building up and mounting with each passing day. As the deaths begin to pile up, and as the people who unfortunately decided to inject themselves with this mystery serum begin to get sick and or die, that's when we're going to see the push for the COVID criminal trials, and it will happen. Currently, the governments of the United States, the government of China, very busy trying to blame each other for COVID-19. Very busy trying to distract their respective citizens from what's coming and from the inevitable criminal trials that are on the way for many folks in both of those governments. And unfortunately for both the federal government of the United States and the national government of the People's Republic of China, you're not going to be able to trick the people of your countries into World War III. It's too late. It's too late. Critical mass of people who are already awake and hip to what is going to happen next has already been achieved. So, what should the COVID criminal trials look like? They should be patterned on the Nuremberg trials post-World War II, and the very first set of evidence or set of standards to be utilized should be and will be the Nuremberg Codes. Very fitting, very apropos. This is Kevin in Texas, wishing you the very best, saying God bless each and every one of you, and reminding everybody it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Talk to you later. Bye.